Hey, welcome back to Rolling with BJ in the Kitchen. Tonight we are doing lemon pepper chicken. If you want to know my recipe, keep watching. It's going to be a really simple and quick meal, and we're going to start off with our chicken. I have the party wings, so I already washed them and everything, so I'm going to put them in this bowl so that I can season them up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got my chicken in this bowl, and we're going to season it up. I have 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm just going to mix this up and sprinkle it all over the chicken. And what I'm going to use for my batter today is the Louisiana seasoned crispy chicken batter. Okay, so it's seasoned, but it's not a lot of seasoning. So, you know, BJ is going to add her own little touch to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this out on the lid so that we can coat our chicken wings. Okay, so that should be enough. Okay, so let's dig off in here, and you know what it is. It's that rubber glove, so we can easily mix this seasoning on this chicken. Okay, so now you can add more seasoning if you want to, but like I said, the batter is already a little seasoned, so I don't want it to be over seasoned. So we're just gonna mix this up. And then we're gonna put the rest in here. And we're gonna just keep mixing. Make sure all of them got a little seasoning on them. And I got my grease already on the stove getting hot. So it won't be long at all before I be eating these chicken wings. Okay, they look like they could stand some more seasoning, but I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I'll put a dash more of everything. A little more lemon pepper, because it is lemon pepper chicken, right? Okay. And then I might want to put just a tad bit more seasoning salt. Not a lot, just a very little. Okay. So you don't want to take away from the lemon pepper flavor. Okay, so I'm going to start dipping these in this batter right here. I'm just going to coat them just as you would if it was flour. And I've tried this before and I like this batter. I'm going to start using this more. I like it better than flour because your chicken wings don't be all thick, have the thick. Now, wait. If you like the thick coating on yours, then keep on using the flour or whatever. But you know how every now and then you just want to switch up stuff. So yeah, every now and then this is gonna be my go-to. So I'm just putting them over to the side after I coat them. And then when I have a good amount coated, I'm gonna go and take them over and put them in the oil. And I use vegetable oil, everyone. Just so you know, that's what I'm gonna cook these in. That's what I use most of the time. So we just gonna coat these up. Just like this. Just make sure they coated really well. And then just shake off the extra. That way it won't be all burning at the bottom of the pan. Okay, so I'm going to continue coating till I get about maybe 10 or 12 done. And then we're going to go over and put them in the grease. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, we over here at the grease. The oil, grease, whatever you want to call it. So now we're just going to start dropping them in. Just shake them off and drop them in. Shake them off and drop them in. So I'm just gonna let them cook on each side for about, this side for about 10 or 12 minutes. So I want to make sure the coating don't come off of them. So you don't want to start bothering them until after they start turning brown. So I'm gonna put as many, let's see, maybe about 10 or 12 in here, but I'm not gonna crowd the pan. Okay, so you just want to make sure they all have enough room to move around. So I'm almost done with this batch. So I think all of these are going to make it in this pan. So after this, I will come back and let you know what's going on. And we're going to take a look at them. I think that's enough. These two can wait and go in with the next batch. So I'm going to go over here and finish doing the other ones while these are cooking. And I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes so we can come back and check on them in 10 minutes. So you can shake your pot, but don't touch the chicken. Okay? I'll be right back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes and they still cooking and they're not quite brown. So we're going to go another maybe 7 minutes. So I'll be back in 7 minutes. Let me let you see what they look like so far. Okay, so like I said, they're not quite ready to be turned over, and that's fine. We'll come back in about 7 minutes. Okay, it's been 6 minutes, and they are ready to be turned now. So we're just going to turn them over. You don't want to rush goodness, so hey, if it takes longer than the time you think it should take, that's okay. Just let them do what they need to do. You can't rush greatness, can't rush goodness. So these are looking really good. And I got another batch over there I need to put in. Once these come out, I'm going to show you what they look like. Okay, so I'm going for 10 minutes again, and we'll see what happens. So I'll see you back in 10 minutes. Okay, it haven't even been 10 minutes, you guys. So my chicken is pretty much done, this batch. So it's been about maybe 6 minutes. So I'm going to start taking these out. I'm going to just lay them on this cooling rack. I'm going to drop the next batch in there. And while the next batch is cooking, we're going to make the lemon pepper sauce to go on them. See, I really like how these turned out with that batter. Okay, we're gonna drop those other ones in, but I just want you to see what these look like so far. Yes. Okay, give me a second. Let me drop the next batch. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna take this bowl. I'm gonna put this is about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna put that in the bowl. This is a teaspoon of lemon pepper. I'm going to put that in the bowl. And then I'm going to put a tablespoon and a half of lemon juice. This is a freshly squeezed lemon. And I'm going to melt this up in the microwave, and I'll be right back. Okay, I just mixed that up and I tasted it, so I'm going to put another tablespoon of lemon juice in mine. So that will be 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then we're going to mix this up really, really good. But I got to turn my chicken, so I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to go on and put this lemon butter and lemon pepper sauce on here. So I'm just going to put it on each side. Just going to brush it on there. Just going to brush it like that. Yes, indeedy. Just glaze them up right quick. Then we'll get those other ones when they come out. Okay, so I'm gonna turn them over and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now we got that side. Oh, they look so pretty. Gee. Okay, so we're just gonna flip them over and take care of this other side. And then it's gonna be dinner time. I'm gonna use some ranch dressing with mine. I just wanna sprinkle it on there like that. And then I'm gonna plate these. And you know the routine, right? We're gonna name them and claim them. Yep. Okay, so that made just enough to cover these. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to make some more for those other chicken wings that's in the pot. This was just enough for these. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I will be back once I plate these up so we can give them a name and give them a taste. And we're gonna get those other ones out of the skillet, the pot. So here's what they look like so far. And when I get back, they'll be on the plate. I'll be back. Okay, here they are. Okay, so now you know what time it is, right? It's time to give them a name. The name of these chicken wings, we're gonna call these BJ Lovely Lemon Chicken Wings, right? Okay, so thanks for joining me on this video. And you know what comes next. Now we gotta try these chicken wings. I gotta go fix my plate. I love you. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Try this recipe. Hope you like it. And I will see you on the next video. Good night.